Are you ready for Thanksgiving dinner table idea? Do not panic because today we are making a surefire Thanksgiving Appetizers to Impress AIP version. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace, a full-time laboratory scientist navigating through the early stages of Hashimoto's disease and now an AIP recipe detective. The mission of this channel is to share ideas and offer alternatives with a creative twist of being able to cook our favorite dishes with AIP compliant ingredients. These four foolproof and quick Thanksgiving appetizer recipes will surely impress everyone. These four varieties will have an ingredient in common, and that is our uncured nitrate-free bacon. But first, let's soak the toothpicks in water so it won't get burned during the baking process. Our first appetizer to impress is the bacon-wrapped cranberry crumble dates. We will prepare this in two parts: the making of the cranberry crumble stuffing and the wrapping of the bacon. Into the food processor, we combine the following: a quarter cup of cassava flour, a quarter cup of tigernut flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, a quarter cup of coconut palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted palm shortening, and a tablespoon of cranberry sauce AIP version. Then, we will roll it into a small circle shape just enough to fit into the pitted dates. This recipe is good for 2 to 3 dozen more. We fill the pitted dates with our prepared cranberry crumble stuffing. We will prepare a few slices of uncured or nitrate-free bacon cut in half, which can now be bought in Walmart or a lot of the local grocery stores. So check them out. But I am using the one I got from the butcher box, and this is not a paid promotion. Wrap the bacon around and tuck it with the soaked toothpick. Brush it off with honey. And we bake it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until bacon appears cooked. Next is our Asian-inspired appetizer, and this is the bacon-wrapped Asian fusion shrimp. First is to marinate our dozen of shrimp with some Asian fusion flavors for about 30 minutes in the fridge. To prepare our marinade, we need the following: couple cloves of diced garlic, an inch or two of diced fresh ginger root, small-sized shallots or any onions, a tablespoon of coconut oil, a tablespoon of coconut aminos, a tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 to 2 freshly squeezed calamansi or calamundin, which is a small citrus fruit native among Asian countries, if available, but this can easily be substituted with lemon. Do not be surprised. It is normal for the coconut oil to solidify in cold temperature. Just allow the marinade to stand for a few minutes in room temperature to allow the coconut to thaw. Wrap the bacon around. Tuck it with the soaked toothpick. Finish it by brushing it with honey. and bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until bacon appears cooked. Ready for the next one yet? Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can follow our weekly AIP Limitless recipes. And for our third appetizer can be an all-year-round treat, and this is the bacon-wrapped sweet potato stick. To prepare the sweet potato, we cut it into finger-sized sticks. And we boil it for a minute or two to partially cook it. Let it cool down. Enough to hold it to wrap the bacon around, then we pierce the soaked toothpick in one of the ends. Brush it with honey. And bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until bacon appears cooked. Our last appetizer variation is a unique one, and this is the bacon-wrapped cinnamon glazed plantain. Plantain is a different variety of banana. We cut the plantain into 1.5 inches or 2 in thickness. Glaze it with cinnamon, ghee, coconut sugar mixture. For this mixture, we need half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of melted ghee or coconut oil, or melted palm shortening, a tablespoon of coconut palm sugar. Then mix it well. Glaze the plantain, and we wrap the bacon around. Tuck it with a soaked toothpick. Brush it with honey and bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until bacon appears cooked. What a feast! Now it is your turn to give these variations a try. These appetizers to impress will leave you wanting for more. Let me know in the comment below which one is your favorite. Ladies and gentlemen, our 4 Thanksgiving Appetizers to Impress AIP version: bacon wrapped cranberry crumble dates, bacon wrapped Asian fusion shrimp, bacon wrapped sweet potato stick, and our bacon wrapped cinnamon glazed plantain. Now you probably noticed the baconator trend. May you all have a warm and enjoyable Thanksgiving celebration with your loved ones. Please watch these other quick Thanksgiving AIP recipe ideas. Until next week, be healed and be blessed. Donadogovi.